Okay, so we're gonna go to the place down there. So that's where we're gonna go now. And let's just check it out. Crescent Falls, Clearwater County, Alberta. So this is the area for the day use, and the campground is down there. It's an amazing place to visit, man. Amazing. They have full security and safety for people, because the two guys over there, they were just making sure that people are not going beyond these rails. So as you can see, the water is so fast. If anyone is gonna go there, they're not gonna be able to bring them back. So this is where you're gonna go for the stairs and look at the beautiful, amazing view. Look how far the people have gone. So we're gonna go down there as well. Some people are getting wet in there because of the water, but the air is coming up. So we're gonna go down. So look at this. It's so beautifully, created here. So beautifully, and they kept the safety and security in mind for people. The only thing is, like, obviously it's deep in the forest area. You don't have any cellular services available, so you can't do any FaceTime or anything like that to your family back home. So that's the only way. Make the video and then send it to them. So I noticed that when I was in the Athabasca Falls, the water was so clear, right? Here at the Crescent Falls, the water is muddy. It's all muddy. I don't know where this mud is coming from, because it's lots of mud in the water. And this is again you know, an amazing view. Actually, it's amazing. As far as you're safe and secure, this looks so amazing. So don't make any stupid mistakes. Don't go anywhere or beyond these rails. You know, safety should be your first priority. So I have a night stay here. I have a campsite that I took. So I'm gonna be coming back again tomorrow morning to have a look how it looks in the beautiful sunlight, if it's gonna be sunny weather tomorrow. But let's just go down there. It says over here, no public access. And stay on the staircase. So due to the water, it's really cold here. Make sure you have, even though if it's summer, June, just like right now it's June 21st, but it's really cold. The only thing is like not too deep, right? Just like Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls looks like the same thing from the front, and then really deep. So it's not too deep here, but I guess it should be deep down there. So let's just go and check. This is nature. This is beautiful nature. There you go. So this is the front view for you guys. So मेरे इंडिया में बैठे सभी दोस्तों के लिए beautiful Alberta. It's a Crescent Falls, Clearwater County, Alberta. It's about 3.15, so about like yeah, about 3.15 hours away from Edmonton. So, I mean, people can go down there, but they're saying that not to go beyond these rails. I mean, don't go down there because it's risky. बट आई नो अगर ये इंडिया होता हम लोग वहाँ पे नीचे तक जा चुके होते पत्थर के पास, और कुछ लोग तो मुझे पता है वो बिल्कुल फॉल के नीचे जाने की कोशिश करते और मे बी लाइक क्लोज टू दैट स्टोन. So look, how safe is this? So it's so damn safe, you know. The only thing is like if you have, you know, senior citizens like very old, grandmother, grandfather, or even your parents who can't actually go up and down the stairs, they cannot come over here. Then they just have to take a look from the top. So they have made the benches here so that you can just sit and enjoy the view. So there you go guys. So this is, where is it going? Oh my goodness. Amazing nature, but you can see the current is so fast, it's very dangerous. So it took me like around 3 hours to come here, but it's worth it, man. It's worth it. 3 घंटे ड्राइव करने के बाद, you know, I am loving it. अगर मैं कैलगरी रह रहा होता, then कैलगरी से तो it's like hardly, I guess, maybe half an hour or 1 hour. It's so close to Calgary. काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. जैसे ये 2 लेडीज़ बैठी हैं यहाँ पर, वो सामने बस देख कर के एंजॉय कर रही हैं फॉल को. ये नेचर, ऐसी नेचर देखने के बाद पता चलता है कि भगवान कितने बड़े हैं, कितने विशाल हैं, हम इंसान कुछ भी नहीं हैं। और हम इंसान आपस में लड़ते रहते हैं, जबकि अगर आप दुनिया को देखें तो दुनिया इतनी खूबसूरत है, मतलब इतनी विशाल है, इतनी खूबसूरत है, इतनी जगहें हैं दुनिया में देखने को कि लड़ने के लिए या झगड़ने के लिए किसी के पास कोई टाइम ही नहीं होना चाहिए। एंड दैट्स व्हाई लाइक द ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर्स, क्योंकि वो लोग मस्त अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं, घूमते रहते हैं। यूट्यूब पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे जो मैं इन लोगों को देखता हूँ, देन आई लाइक देम rather than seeing like other stupid things on the Instagram or YouTube. It's amazing, it's amazing. So let's go guys. I'm gonna now go and set up my camp, my tent, because it's almost close to 4 p.m.